In this chapter, we are going to see AutoCAD user interface. So, AutoCAD user interface look like this. So, this is a advanced user interface. So, this button is called as application button, and this set of buttons it's called as quick access toolbar, and this area is called as ribbon. And the ribbon, you can see on the top, you can see tabs. So by clicking each tab, you can see the respective tools in each tabs. So I'm clicking home tab. In home tab ribbon, you can see panels, and you can see draw panels, modify panels. Okay, and to expand the panel, you can click this button, and you can see the panel has been expanded. And this black area is called as model space, or it has been called as drawing space. At the bottom, you can see command line. It has been divided into two area. So this gray color is your history, and the white area is the input area where you're going to give the commands. At the base, it's called as status bar. Right now the screen you're seeing is advanced screen. Suppose you want to go to a previous version screen, so you can go to the quick access toolbar and you can find a button called workspace here, or else you can go to status bar, and towards the right you can see the same workspace button here. So either you can use in the quick access toolbar or in the status bar. Click this button. You can jump to the previous version's user interface by clicking AutoCAD Classic, either here or in the quick access toolbar. By changing your user interface to the older, you can see the ribbon has been gone, and menu bar, the older version menu bar has been appearing here. So if you click a menu, you can see a drop down list, so you can take any command by clicking in the drop down. So if you want to take a line command, you can click the draw menu. In the drop down menu, you can take line command, and also you can find so many toolbars appearing here. So this will be a older screen. You want to go for the newer screen, the latest version screen, so either go to the status bar. To the right hand side, you can see the workspace button here, or else you can go to the top quick access toolbar. You can see a workspace button here, and you can jump to the latest screen. Okay, the latest screen has been divided into three parts. So one is drafting and annotation. Who concentrating in 2D drawings can go here, and we can see the other two concentrating 3D. The first one is basic, and the second one will be advanced, so it's called as 3D modeling. So I'm right now working in 2D, so I'm going for drafting and annotation. Again, you can see the screen bar, the screen has been updated to latest in a ribbon format. In the model space, you can find command line here. Okay, suppose you're not finding the command line, unfortunately it has been closed. Okay, you can use a shortcut key to open the command line. So if you're not seeing the command line, you can use Control and 9 to show the command line. So take Control and click 9. You can see the command line to the visual again. And this is called as UCS icon. If you are not able to see this UCS icon, okay, suppose it has been closed, if you're not able to see this UCS icon, go to the command line and type UCS icon and enter. In this UCS icon option, you can see on button will be there, so click the on button and you can see the UCS icon appearing in the model space.